Also stream I'm So Tired on iTunes because that song's a bop. Hey guys, it's Nathan. So I'm going to hang out with my friend Julianne today. I haven't seen her in a long time. Yeah, we're gonna go thrifting, maybe study a bit, who knows. But, fun day. Wow, I need a haircut. Maybe I'll get that too. Who knows? Anyways. So, we're going thrifting, right? And then I text her, yeah, I'm free today, still, blah, blah, blah. And then she texts me, so thrifting, yeah? I'm gonna go ask my dad if he can give us a ride. And then she's like, but he'll be home at like 12:39. I drive. First of all, I drive. Like, look at this. Look at this. If it focuses. There you go. Look at this. And then she says she forgot I could drive. So that's how long I haven't seen Julianne. She forgot that I knew how to drive. So
just in case I don't. Oh my gosh, what is this? Are we vlogging? Oh my gosh, hi. I have a Kia. Okay, don't look at this. Okay, because this wouldn't stick. So I was like, okay, I have to come up with something to like look like it's an ornament. Acorn on a tree. And then okay, don't read the back. Yeah! I haven't been to any of those. Yo, today's gonna be sick. I was like, I'll get my dad to drive us, and I totally forgot that you have a car. Hey guys, if you don't know me, it's Julianne. Back at it again on Nathan's vlog. Didn't we make a vlog in the summer?
yeah, I don't think it went up.
No, because that failed. That was a fail. But vlogging today, yay! 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 Alright guys, so location number 1 was
A bust.
not so much of a success. Sorry, not so much of a success for me, but
But like, I only got
Nathan.
like.
Here, I'll show them what you got. So
Like,
he got this like
This
nice shirt.
It says
South
South
Africa.
Africa with like nice, you know.
I just love like the two-tone, just the neutral colors.
Facts. Yeah, but yeah, step number 1. It was only $2.99, so like, you know,
Yeah,
might as well.
might as well.
But like, yeah.
Yeah.
So, stop number 2. Hey, yeah. So I kinda forgot to film everything else, but thrifting was a success. I did end up getting. Oh, it fell out. Did end up getting this Fujika little 35mm camera. I'm pretty sure it does still work. See, it does still shutter, and all it needs, I think, are batteries, and then like you do this thing to like pull it up, and then yeah, it looks like it's fine here. So I need to buy film and batteries, but I don't know what batteries it takes, so I'm gonna search that up for sure, because I really want to use this camera. And it was only like $20, so like if it does work, yo, fucking good. And then what else did I get? So I also got this little t-shirt. I really like it because of the color palette. It's like a nice beige and black. It does say South Africa on it. I guess recently I've just been buying a lot of tees with like geographical locations. I don't know why, but like they end up looking nice, and it's like a nice muted color scheme, which I'm starting to like slowly go into, but like who knows. I got this. It says Canadian Rockies Jasper. So I think Jasper is in Alberta. I think so. I hope I'm right. Or else I look like an idiot. I didn't buy a lot of things this time. Just got this. But I still really want to know what batteries go into this. So let me just grab a battery and see if it fits. Okay, so I got a AA battery. I don't know. I think what it looks like it could be a watch battery. So I need to go to Walmart and buy that, and I'll buy the film as well. So yeah, and if it does work, There'll be some 35mm pictures on my Instagram, link down below. Instagram.com/NateIsTired. Also stream I'm So Tired on iTunes because that song's a bop. But yeah, I'm really excited for this. Like, look. If it doesn't work, I have a new decoration for my room. I guess this is what my channel is now. It's Thrifting with Nathan. I should rebrand to like Thrifting with Nathan. Not unusual Nathan. Anyways, peace out. Stream I'm So Tired by Lauv and Troye on Spotify.